Now we'll see our next part is our practice set number 39. That will be the first and second example you are completed. Now we'll see our third one example is Sweta, Piyush, Nachiketas. Here three people are there. They are invested 80,000 and they are given Sweta's investment and the Piyush investment. But they are not mentioned the Nachiketa's investment. And here what they are given, see they had made a profit 24%, and what they ask here, find out the Nachiketa's investment and what was the share of a profit they ask here. See, you not understand the question, then you read the questions carefully, and from that question rough idea we have to develop it, how to solve the example. See here total capital, here three people are there, Sweta's capital plus Piyush capital plus Nachiketa's capital. Total capital they are given here 80,000, and Sweta's capital 30,000, Piyush capital 12,000, but Nachiketa's capital you want to find out. How to find out? You add both this Piyush and Sweta's capital, and that you subtract from total capital, and that will get Nachiketa's capital I am getting 38,000, and they made a profit 24%. Means here how much profit, here 24% is the profit. Means here Nachiketa's capital is 38,000, then 38,000 24% you find out, that will get here Nachiketa's profit, and will get here this rupees 9,120 will be the Nachiketa's profit. Here they not ask the Sweta's capital profit, they not ask, and again Piyush also profit they not ask, they ask only their Nachiketa's investment and Nachiketa's profit they ask here. Then this is about the third one example is there. Now we'll go for our fourth one example. In that one, A and B are two people are there, and see their profit they are given 24,500, and their proportion will be 3:7 is there, and each of them given a 2% of his share profit to soldier welfare fund. What was the actual amount given to the fund in each of them, they ask. Means here how to solve this example. See here two people are there, that is A and B, and see there we have to start the question, we have to write the answer from this way. The proportion of their capital as well as their profit is 3:7. Let the profit of A will be, you consider 3x, and B you consider 7x, and here 3x plus 7x equal to total profit 24,500 is there, that is 10x equal to 24,500, that x value you are getting 2,450, and A's profit means 3x, that will get a 3 multiplied by 2,450, that you are getting 7,350 will be for A's profit is there, and for B profit 7x, in the 7x you put the x value, that will get 17,150, and for the soldier welfare fund they are given 2% each. Means for A 2% you find out, that 7,350 is 2% you find out, and for B 2% you find out, and A will get a 147, that is a soldier welfare fund they are given, and B will get given 343 to the soldier welfare fund. Then this way we have to solve the fourth one example. Now we'll come to our fifth one example. In that one, Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh, see here four people are there, and their all together investment is 3,60,000 is there, and see their proportion they are given 3:4:7:6. Means from that one you are getting Jaya's investment is 3x, Seema's investment is 4x, Nikhil investment is 7x, and Nilesh investment is 6x. Here whose investment is more, that is a Nikhil, that is 7x is there. And what they ask here, what was the Jaya's actual share in the capital, and they made a profit 12%, and in that one you want to find out Nikhil profit you want to find out. Then how to solve this example? See here you write here total capital of Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh will be 3,60,000 is there, and here everyone's capital will be like this way, 3x plus 4x plus 7x plus 6x equal to 3,60,000 is there, and that you are getting 20x. Then from this one you find out the x value, will get here 18,000 will be the value of x, and afterwards see Jaya's capital how you can find. In a 3x you put the value of x, will get a 54,000 as a JAS capital, and they made a 12% profit, means total profit you multiply by 12%, means 12 upon 100, that will get 43,200 is there. And this profit will be not only for one person, this profit will be distributed in a 4 people. But here they ask here Nikhil profit. For that one, first you find out their total profit is how much. Means here total profit equal to, you add this 3x plus 4x plus 7x plus 6x. In that one you find out the x value, that is 2160 you are getting. And this x value we have to put it in a Nikhil's profit, that is 7x is there. In the x value put it, this x value will be giving profit that. Okay, this x value put it in a 7x, that will get a Nikhil profit will be 15,120 is there. Means here how much they ask here, that much you want to solve it. Then this way you have to complete the partnership part, and this is about the complete part of our practice set number 39 is there. And next time we'll go for our next lesson is there. Okay, and you complete the all these examples, and you revise it all this lesson nicely, and as well as you write all the solved examples whatever they are given in your textbooks. And we'll see the next time, the next part.